what up, welcome to this another video from your favorite boy Tech JG. Today we're gonna talk about a mouse, the Logitech G502 X PLUS. It's a wireless mouse and it's in white. I choose the white one, there's also a black version of it, but nothing more than that. Let's get into the video, sit back, relax and enjoy it. Let's go! So we're gonna talk about a mouse. Yes, we're gonna talk about this mouse. This is the package it comes with. This is the lightweight version. There's also a black version, but this have a 24K sensor in it. It is gonna set you back $160 for both the black and the white version on the Logitech website if you go on that, and I will put a link to it so you can see it if you want to. It is also with the latest to legendary G502 lineup, as there's a lot of these different ones. With their first ever Light Force Hyper Switch. I don't know what it means, but it sounds awesome, sounds dope, sounds interesting. There's also the Lightspeed Pro Grade Wireless, Lighting RGB, and of course the Hero 25K sensor. The time you can put on here with RGB mode, it's around 37 hours with RGB, depends on how bright you want it. And if you don't have any RGB, it's 130 hours. That's a battery life. It have USB-C charging, an 8-zone RGB lighting, 30 programmable controls, and up to 5 onboard memory profiles. You can have pretty much a lot of profiles. And of course, backed up with a 2-year warranty. How much does it weigh? Well, 106 grams. Not the heaviest, not the lightest, but it is on the heavy side. Of course, USB-C charging equals it's gonna be very quick charging. This is how it looks with RGB on. You can see, of course, the clamps. There's a program buttons right here you can program. There's a button you can program right here if you want to. Also these two, but these are mostly just to this. The friction wheel, so you can put it in. There's some tension between the wheel, and then there's no tension. Then there's a sniper button, or whatever you call a normal program button you can program if you want to. It's only on board as standard if you buy it. If you don't reprogram it, it's a sniper button to lower DPI. When you want to snipe, you click on it, they lower DPI. Then there's to the bottom right here, better grip. Also on the other side there's the grip. Then on the bottom there's the battery, and there is of course the center turn on off button. There's USB-C here, right here in the charging port, and the lighting is going around here, around and going around. Pretty nice lighting, if I would say so. Overall, a pretty nice mouse, and this is set to standard as DPI changes, so up, down, up and down, you know what I mean. And these two you can program them all if you want to, but I have not programmed any of them because they work pretty fine as it is. This is in weight, and a pretty nice mouse, and of course battery, you can take that out. So overall, nice mouse, and I'll definitely recommend it. And I will link in the description down below to the website where you can buy it, or to Amazon if you want to buy it there. So let's do the sound test on this lovely mouse. If you did like this video, then remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling, so you get notification when I'm posting a video. And yes, I'm sorry for this late video. It's a month since I made one and put one out. But here's a video. I'm gonna try my best to get back on. I've been very busy, started working full time, another job, so been busy. But overall, like, subscribe, comment down below, come with ideas to what I can do and what I can make of videos. And I will see you on the next video. JG signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to drink your water. Bye bye and peace.